Okay, so what's up? In today's video, I just want to show you guys how to get your refund after you have a missing or stolen package from Temu. So if you have a missing or stolen package, this is what you can do at least, so you can get your refund back, and so you can buy the same item, or you can just text them and they can just refund them by themselves, and then you can just repurchase the same item again if that's what you're looking for. So first, what you want to do, you're gonna want to go ahead and open up the Temu app. So when you open a Temu app, you will see this. Okay, when you see this here, you will wanna have you have option on the bottom here where it says home, categories, and cart and free shipping. So here, what you want to do, you're going to want to click the you person icon. So when you click you person icon, you will see this right here. So when you see this, the first option will be free shipping on all orders and 5% off out of 100, over 100. So the second, you're going to want to go ahead and click your orders. Click your orders. Once you click to your orders, you want to scroll on the bottom and choose any missing or stolen package. So I wanted to for the purpose of the video, let me just try to return this Lightning headphones and Lenovo AirPods. Click refund, and they're gonna ask you this. You're gonna want to click no. So when you click no, they should bring you up to this right here. Okay, once they bring you up right here, you're gonna scroll on the bottom. So right here, as you can see, we're right on the bottom. You can see where it says you can't find the package. You can see apply for requesting a refund. Now what this do, they'll request a refund to your account or to your original bank account, so you can buy the same, you can repurchase the same item that you wanted to buy. Now you're gonna want to go ahead and click refund. And here, once you click refund, here they're telling you that you get a refund from the AirPods with Lightning wireless and Lenovo earbuds. So you get a refund from each one of them. So you're gonna want to go ahead and click request a refund. So when you click request a refund, here they're asking you, do you want it in your wallet within the app or within your bank account? Within the app, it will typically take 3 minutes, and that should be in your Temu account, free credit. When you do that, so you're just gonna go ahead and click select. Once you select that, and you can click submit, and you wait for 3 minutes. That should be completed. Or if you don't want to, just click uncheck it. Just try to go back and click, and that, boom, that should uncheck, and then once you click submit, that should be directly, the refund should go directly to your bank. And once you do that, if you want the refund to be in your credit balance, I'll show you how to check your balance. And meanwhile, so now what you want to do, you're gonna want to go ahead and click you're gonna check and submit. I don't want to submit because I already got the product. I didn't lose it. So now you're gonna want to come over here and click where it says credit balance. When you click credit balance, as you see, I have a 0 credit balance. I already used all my balance. I have purchased some stuff on here and I couldn't find it, so I had to get my refund back to back. And now I got my address working. Now I finally get my package almost every single time I order. Yeah, so once you click, the 3 minutes just went by, and you should see your refund if you click within the app to get your credit, to get your refund within the app. You should see your money here, and you can just go ahead and buy almost anything you want, the same item or not. But with that being said, that was it for the video. If you love enjoying this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Comment down below if you guys have any video suggests. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Bye.